Hello everybody, I am Master, and first of all, I do apologize for being late. Haven't came out with videos. Recently, I've just extremely busy. Last week, it's just been hectic for me. So yeah, but that's out of the way, so that's good. Spring break's coming up. Some might have it earlier, some might have it late, who knows. Anyway, we're here with another K-pop video, and we're gonna react to CNBLUE. CNBLUE between us, CNBLUE between us. I've heard of them. I think I've heard one of their songs. So, wait, have I? I wanna know. Google search CNBLUE. My shoulder blades. I think I heard. Nope. Can't Stop. Cinderella. I think I heard one of those. Oh yeah, CNBLUE. I'm sorry, I heard that one. All right. So that's good. All right, so let's react to this, shall we? Begin.
헷갈리게 뭔데 왜 이래 헷갈리게 자꾸 뭔데 내가 왜 이래 매일 아침 습관처럼 연락하고 끊어질 듯 말 듯한 답장을 해 사실 반은 기억도 안 나 마치 우린 연애하던 사람들보다 서로를 잘 알아고 확실한 듯 서로를 부르는 말도 있어 그냥 이 거리를 즐기는 걸까 장난보다는 너무 중요해 네가 이게 우리 둘의 끝일까 시작일까 헷갈리게 뭔데 왜 이래 애매한 우리 온도가 헷갈리게 자꾸 뭔데 내가 왜 이래 애매한 우리 사이가 날 보면 숨 막혀 발광에 숨을 쉬어 어떻게 해야 돼 우리 지금 뭔데 내가 왜 이래 답을 할 것 같은데 답을 말을 못해 지금 나 가끔 우린 대화 중에 자연스럽게 서로를 터치하고 묘한 눈빛 묘한 공기 속에서 우린 남겨졌어 더 뜨겁게 너를 느끼고 싶다 뜨거워져도 감당할 수 있을까 이게 우리 둘의 끝일까 시작일까 헷갈리게 뭔데 왜 이래 애매한 우리 온도가 헷갈리게 자꾸 뭔데 내가 왜 이래 애매한 우리 사이가 날 보면 숨 막혀 발광에 숨을 쉬어 어떻게 해야 돼 우리 지금 뭔데 내가 왜 이래 답을 할 것 같은데 답을 말을 못해 지금 나 Girl you got me seeing double Don't know why you're so much trouble 날 쥐고 흔들어도 그럼 너라도 좋으니까 헷갈리게 뭔데 왜 이래 애매한 우리 온도가 헷갈리게 자꾸 뭔데 내가 왜 이래 애매한 우리 사이가 날 보면 숨 막혀 발광에 숨을 쉬어 어떻게 해야 돼 우리 지금 뭔데 내가 왜 이래 답을 할 것 같은데 답을 말을 못해 지금 나 답을 할 것 같은데 답을 말을 못해 지금 나 답을 할 것 같은데 답을 말을 못해 지금 나
Okay. Alrighty. They're using flip phones. What? Come on, man. Get into the 21st century. Okay, anyway. Flip phones. Alright, well. yeah, very nice. The chorus is actually probably one of the best things in the song. I love the chorus. That chorus was awesome. Anyway, it's so funny. It's like there's like some parts in there that in the song does not sound like a guitar at all, and then you just see the guy just strumming like an empty like void, like he's not playing the guitar. It's like it's not part of the song, but it's hilarious if you know what I mean. But anyway, no, I like the song. All right, I like the song. Okay, CNBLUE, Between Us. Now, yeah, I've heard of I'm Sorry, and that's pretty much it. So I'm sorry. Oh God. Anyway, comment down below. Tell me what you guys think. Yeah. Tell me what you guys want me to react to next. I've actually had some people who wanted me to react to things, and I will react to them right after this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Subscribe to my channel for more videos in the future. And the video, this one, CNBLUE, Between Us, the link will be down in the description below. Alright, so yeah, I'll see you guys in the future. Bye-bye.